Ganesh we pray, bringing blessings to our day. G is for groom and wedding light, smiling happy hearts so bright. G is for gold shining so high, glittering bright like stars in the sky. G is for girls dancing with cheer, music and laughter fill the air here. G is for grandfather, walking slow, with grandsons love, they softly go. G is for games, boys laugh and run, chasing each other in the sun. G's for giraffe, tall and sweet, long neck sways on gentle feet. G is for goldfinch, singing along, bright yellow feathers, a happy song. G is great, come and sing, happy smiles and everything. G is gold and green and bright, G is glowing in the light. G is for goby, swimming so free, a water friend in the deep blue sea. G is for grapes, purple and round, sweet little treats that we have found. G is for garlic, healthy and white, cooking with flavor that feels so right. G is for garbage truck, big and loud, cleaning the streets, making us proud. G is for gift, wrapped with care, brother's love is always there. G is for grass, green and sweet, cow is happy as she eats. G is for guess, what could it be? Thinking hard, we will see. G is for glass, full of juice, drinking it up, so sweet and loose. G is great, come and sing, happy smiles and everything. G is gold and green and bright, G is glowing in the light. G is for good, fairy shines bright, goblin grumbles deep in the night. G is for gallop, run so fast, riding the pony fun will last. G is for ground, soft and wide, kids are playing side by side. G is for golden sun shines high, children laughing under the sky. G is for gray, elephant near, little gray mouse shows no fear. G is for green, frog likes to play on a leaf in the pond all day. G is for global, our home so dear, earth belongs to all living here. Ooh, G is great, come and sing, happy smiles and everything. G is gold and green and bright, G is glowing in the light. Yes, G is glowing